Hello everyone, welcome to Scott's Honest Reviews. So today we are going to be putting this tempered glass screen protector on our GoPro Hero 7 Black. Now one thing that you would like to do, that you guys should do, probably not use your sleeve like me, but you want to clean off all the areas that you're putting the protective cover on. You don't want to use any material that is scratchy, so it's best to clean it with some rubbing alcohol to really get it off. So we're actually going to go do that, so stay tuned guys. Okay guys, and we're back. If you're interested, you can find this product in my video description. So let's see what we got. So this actually came with two protective covers as well, caps for your screen. So let's see, it actually comes with wipes as well, so you guys don't have to buy your own, you can just do it yourself. And dust absorber. So we're going to go ahead and take out our first screen here. So that's going to be the screen for here, and it's going to be pretty easy on how to do this. So it's going to say peel off for the front. So just like that. You don't want to touch it. You want to make sure you line it up. It helps to have a knife or something with you for you to line it up before you press down. Don't apply any pressure. Once it's on, apply the pressure down, and it should seal. And if it doesn't seal, then that means it's not lined up right. So ours did not seal in this corner up here, so we're going to lightly lift up on it. So that means we didn't have it lined up perfectly. So now we're going to go and realign it. Alright, it's sealed instantly, so now it's lined up perfectly. Okay, so we got it on. Now we protect our lens. Now we can go ahead and put on the second one. The great thing is this also comes with two lenses, so if you mess one up or if one cracks, you got another one. Two lenses per side, so you get two for the back screen, two for the right front. So let's pull out our back screen. Use number one, the wet wipe. Go ahead and clean off the surface. Take our dry wipe. Go ahead and clean it. Okay. So it says peel off the front. This is going to be the front. We're peeling it off. Directly put it flat down. You try not to get any dust on it. And now just lightly lay it as center as you can. Take your knife or small tool and slowly push the screen to where it's about even. Let's see if that got on. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take our dry one and apply pressure. Wipe it off here. And there we go. Now we got our protective screen on, both the front and the back. So now if we drop it, at least got some protection. Thanks for watching guys. Links in the video description if you're interested.